Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rachna Thakur. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to talk about a problem which we always face while speaking English. You know what happens? My mind goes blank when I try to speak English. I hear this sentence many times. Okay, people say that my mind goes blank when I start speaking English. So I have a solution of your problem in this video. If you watch this video till end, you're going to get a solution of your problem. And stay tuned till end. And before starting this video, I would like to say only one thing. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all my videos. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram ID is Rachna4290. I keep posting daily used sentences and word meanings there. So let's get started. You know why this happens? This is only because you are not confident while speaking English. When you talk your mother tongue, you feel you know exactly what to say, how to express yourself. You know each and everything, in what way you have to say. Okay, so why this is because you have been using it since your childhood, and you are confident as well while speaking. Okay, that time, this is because you are in the habit of speaking your mother tongue very confidently. This is that's why you don't get hesitated that time. Okay, you don't feel any hesitation that time. And on the other hand, you are not in the habit of speaking English too much. That's why you have to remember each and every word, what word to use next in a sentence. So you have to remember each and everything. Okay, so that this is the reason you don't feel like you can express each and everything. So that's why you get these kind of problems. Okay, so I know that I know that you will feel this kind of problem. I was once just like you, but I have learned the art of it. Speaking the language, even in a natural conversation, is tough. I know that. So just be confident, feel free while speaking to anyone. Okay, just focus with the ideas and responses you want to convey or share with your friends or anybody with whom you are talking to. Okay, just don't be conscious with your pronunciation. Just focus what you are telling to someone. Okay, and we are not a native speaker of the language, I know that. So we face many kind of problem while speaking. So you have to just focus on those errors or any problem which you are facing while speaking. You have to just remove it. Okay, so trust yourself, stand out, and just be yourself. Just keep practicing. You will learn one day. It takes time, but it will be soon if you keep practicing. Okay, express yourself in a manner you are comfortable with. Don't be conscious with your pronunciation. Speak in that level where you are confident. Okay, where you feel comfortable while speaking. So don't think around the people, don't think about the people around you. Let them make fun of you, let them laugh at you. The day will come when they will feel proud on you. So that's just let's talk them about you. Just don't care about those kind of people. Okay, speak up the language at your convenience. Okay, don't feel hesitated. And yeah, don't level up with those who you think are good speakers. Just don't level up with those. And you just keep practicing. One day you will learn it. One day you will solve this problem of yours very easily. And do good, trust yourself. Just um, think that if all people are doing, why can't I do? I can also do. Just think in this manner, then only you will be able to speak. Just go through dictionary, find new words, and try making sentences with those useful words and practice them. You see that your problem, if you if your mind goes blank while speaking English, this problem is going to be solved by doing these things. Okay, so just follow these steps or these tips. I hope these tips will help you a lot while speaking English. And make sure your mind don't go blank while speaking English. If you have word power, if you have sentences, then you will definitely be able to speak English well. So yeah, that's it for today. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.